I'm not gonna just show you one Halloween look. I'm gonna give you guys 3. So the first one, let's just dive into pumpkins. And as you can see, I went with like real traditional Halloween-y colors. I know pumpkins was a theme, but I think what I was going for was like a classic Halloween. And then the next one was occult. So basically the concept of this, I am going to be making my own full nail design. So I'm just gonna do this completely at random, but I love the graphicness of this plate. It's so cool. Just like the concept of creating your own full nail design, now I'm gonna take some small elements and go ahead and just kind of border the outsides. And let's jump into the final manicure. So for this Halloween look, I'm gonna be using M244. Yes, kind of like a bloody tip. That was kind of what I was going for. The vampire inspired manicure. Give me some bats if you guys like this one.